I spent 14 hours yesterday trying to make my desktop look cool. But by the end of it, I was so angry, I almost deleted my entire OS. And by end of this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly why that was the worst decision I've made all week. And one thing I wish someone told me before I started. Hello everyone, my name is Flezis. And if you saw my last video, I installed NixOS. So it started simple. I just wanted to try this new setup. Neary, a scrollable window manager, said to be better than hyprland, was shell called Noctalia. I saw a video online and thought, yeah, that looks insane, I need it. I'll be honest with you guys, yesterday I really wanted to showcase you all and make a video about it of me trying Neary with Noctalia. My idea was really simple. Just get to install Neary with Noctalia and learn how to do it. And I would simply return back to my old config that NixOS saved and then record how to do it again. It should have taken an hour, but instead I got broken keybinds, no wallpapers, missing packages, rate limited by GitHub, and you get it. It was really painful and stressful as well. Not because I was dumb, but because I never used Nix before and I had no enough experience. Like I said, I spent hours trying to fix broken stuff and I clearly realized I alone maybe can't do it. So I used OpenCode AI that could interact with my laptop and gave it just a simple order to fix every broken config and clear up some space. And do you know what this shit did? It deleted my entire configs, including my KDE, and left me all alone with broken Neary. I was staring at my laptop like this and my mood was really, really ruined. And that's when I learned my lesson. Let me say that again because I don't think it landed first time. I spent an entire day chasing a desktop that looked cool in a screenshot for 5 seconds, and I lost hours of actual working configs I'd built over 3 days. Not because Linux is bad, because I forgot why I was doing it in the first place. And here's the part that actually scares me. This wasn't even the first time. If I hadn't stopped it yesterday, I would have done the same exact thing again next week. A new distro, a new theme, a new rabbit hole, forever. There is two types of Linux users. The one who uses their computer and the one who spends more time configuring the computer than using it. And yesterday, I was the second guy. So here's what I actually want you to take from this. Not don't write your desktop, not don't try new distros. Do that stuff, it's genuinely fun and I'll also keep doing it too. But a few things I wish someone told me before yesterday. First of all, back up before you touch anything. Doesn't matter how confident you are, doesn't matter if it's just a config. I trusted a tool to clean up my system and it decided my entire KDE setup was a clutter. One command, that's all it took. If I had a snapshot, a backup, even just a copied folder, somewhere safe, none of that would have ended up like this. Second, know the difference between curiosity and escapism. Trying something new because it's genuinely interesting? Great. But trying something new because you're avoiding something else or chasing a feeling instead of a result, that's when 2 hours turns into 14 and you don't even notice. I wasn't tired because Niri was hard. I was tired because I never once asked myself if I actually needed this today. Third, your tools should serve your life, not become it. I got so deep into making my desktop look like something out of an anime that I forgot the actual goal was just to use my laptop, to make videos, to get work done. Somewhere in there, the setup become the whole point, and that's backwards. And honestly, it's okay to stop. It's okay to close the laptop with something broken and just walk away. I didn't do that yesterday, and that's exactly why I got as angry as I did. The terminal will still be there tomorrow. Your unfinished rice isn't going anywhere, but your patience, your mood, your actual day, the stuff doesn't come back once you burn through it. If you're in a deep rabbit hole right now, a Zim, a files repo, some perfect setup you're chasing, it's fine to leave it unfinished. Go outside, talk to someone, eat something that isn't cold by the time you remember it exists. Anyway, that was it for this one. No tutorial today, no downloads, no new distro. Just take care of yourselves. Actually, use your computer sometimes. And if this hits somewhat close to home, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.